Hello, I'm going to show you a very quick decorated orange cup here. I'm using a small petty knife. I'm going to very quickly cut off the bottom and the top of the orange so that it stands up a little bit better. And I'm going to use a channel knife. Quickly just do a couple of lines like this. On the site, you can get them in the 80-piece garnishing set. You can get them individually. I just want to add a little bit of a curve to this orange here. Okay, this will do it. I'm going to finish with the small knife, just like this. It's nice to have a small sharp knife, paring knife, petty knife, whatever. Depends what you're looking for. And that's it. That's the beginning of my orange cup. So it's pretty cool. You decide which one you like more, the top or the bottom, and that's the one you're going to decorate. So there you go. Oh, it's looking good. We'll put one more. Okay. Okay, I'm going to add some strawberries to the orange cup here as well. You can do them any different way you want to. You can fan around the perimeter. So I'm just going to give a quick cut like this and place them like so. Okay, just like that. Wherever they fit. Okay, and then I'm going to fan this one out very slightly here, like this. Oh yeah. Okay, that's going to go right up here in the middle. Okay, now a couple of blueberries or raspberries. That would be really nice. Sorry, I don't have those. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, I added a few pieces of the orange here to go around my plate. The orange cup is going to go right here in the center, and that is the finished presentation for you. Hope you like it. Check it out. And again, all items used in the videos are available chefdepot.com. Have a great day.